So I am a student of BA in Nirja and my name is Nirja and I am of class 12 science student. So we came here for our design thinking and it was really a very great experience for me. We got to learn about many things, that what is design thinking, what are our career options in it. We also got to know that what we can make with small things that are around us, and what we can make, what things that are easy to us, where we can find in at our homes and all. Design thinking is a very great concept for me, and I'm very grateful for Pahal that they gave us a chance to meet what we needed for design thinking. It's a really good experience for me, and I would really try my best